Dave Becker with Fathom Realty. I just wanted to welcome you to my new listing, 6011 Fieldbrook out in Ashley Plantation. So welcome, come on into your next home. We have a formal dining here on the right and an office, or could be a count them, 6 bedroom. But you know, if you don't need 6 bedrooms, it's a really nice sized office here. This house is just shy of 3,000 square feet, so it's like 2989, I believe. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's on a huge lot, 0.7 acres, has 5 garages. So if you need a shop or you got a lot of cars, anything you need, there's a lot here. Tons of space on the outside. Here you go. This is the smallest of the 2 bedrooms, or the 5 bedrooms. These 2 are the smaller ones, kind of like the guest bedrooms. Bathroom, and then here we'll go and look at this bedroom here. So they all have nice closets, storage here, storage there. Let's give that a look. Let's see what this is here. Just a linen closet. Got another deeper linen closet, coat closet. Got some storage stuff in there. This is what they have for their cleaning closet, but also could be a coat closet. There used to be a hanger in there. So let's go further down the hallway. Now we do have some stuff in here still because they're still cleaning out. Nice big living room and kitchen combo. Huge high ceilings. Nice huge island with cabinets on both sides. Even a kitchen nook for a little table. But look at that. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Nice hallway down there. We'll walk back that way just a little bit before we get to the other rooms here. This is the garage entrance to the left, the attached 3-car garage. This is your pantry, and I don't know, oh, it's a sensor light. And then your laundry. So if you come in from your garage, you can go straight to the laundry, straight to the pantry, drop your groceries off, drop your dirty clothes off, and then you can come into the house and do whatever you want to do. So let's go back to this back corner. This is where the master is. So let's hand this off over here. So here we go. There's a door going out to the covered patio. And then you've got the nice big master with the trade ceilings and fan. And then of course you get a nice big master bathroom, dual vanity. Has a linen closet here, the water closet where the toilet is, separate shower, stand-up shower, and then a soaking tub. And then of course the nice big master, which is also on the sensitive lights here. There you go, sorry, it's bright there. So a nice shelving and everything in there, so you can do whatever you want, and there's a bunch of extra parts so you can change it. All right, let's go to the other side of the house, other side of the kitchen. And let's go over here to the other 2 bedrooms left. So remember, 5 bedrooms with possible 6th. Here's the 3rd bathroom here. Full bath there. And then here you go. So this is one of the bigger non-master bedrooms. It's got a nice big closet in there too. Nice windows. And then the other bedroom is a little bit smaller than this one, but still bigger than the other 2. So there you go. All right. So let's take you out back real fast. I should probably unlock the doors first. There we go. So we got a nice covered patio, plenty of space for table, chairs, whatever you want. Playground is coming with the house. It's got a nice rubber stuff on the bottom. We have the separate 2-car garage. A walkway in between, so you can put trash cans there or whatever you want to do. Let's go in here real quick. So here you go. Perfect for a shop. It is a full 2-car garage. I measured it just to be sure. Has a little window air conditioner there, and then of course the shelving on the side. So if you're a woodworker or want to work on cars or whatever, you got plenty of space here. Remember, it's a 0.7 acre lot, so it's huge. So there's still lots of grass left. And that's the reason I'm going to take you for a little walk around. So back here you have a lot of space, not being used for really anything. And then on the other side of the garage, you have a nice little concrete pad where you could put a boat, jet ski, 4-wheelers, something, whatever you'd like if you're not putting it in the garage.